How to fix Telegram group problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram group problem on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down here until you find apps and then click apps again, and here type Telegram and click on it, and then click force stop, click storage and clear cache, and after that click this one here, this one, permissions, and allow all of those permissions here, all of those. And now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now restart your phone and go to Play Store and check if there's any update here, and then just update your Telegram. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.